Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix TikTok showcase not showing. So if you're facing this problem, so you can try this method and hopefully your issue will be solved. So first of all, go to the app store of your mobile phone and download any VPN. Just search your VPN and you will find like several VPNs that are free. You can try this VPN, Super VPN, or like XVPN, and there are many other VPNs as VPN Hotspot Shield. So you can try them and hopefully one of them will work for you. So once you have installed the VPN, just go to the settings of your mobile and search here region. Either you're using an iPhone or Android, so just search region and change your region to United States. And if you're facing this issue in United States, just change to United Kingdom or Canada or any other country. And once you change the region to United States, so just go back and connect the VPN and try if this works for you or not. And if you're still facing the problem, what you can do is just restart your mobile phone, delete the TikTok app or like shop app, reinstall it, connect the VPN and reinstall the app. And once you reinstall the app, just try again, log in with your account, and hopefully your issue will be solved. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix TikTok showcase not showing in your mobile.